Let's create a Kubernetes cluster with the Akamai App Platform. If you haven't done so, first sign up. So go to linode.com and sign up for Akamai Cloud. I'm already signed in. So we're going to create an LKE cluster, go to Compute, Kubernetes, and say Create Cluster. Now we need to provide a name for the cluster, and the Akamai App Platform is currently only available on the LKE tier, so not on the LKE Enterprise tier. We're going to select a region. I'm going to choose Frankfurt, and you can choose between the Kubernetes versions. I'm just going to use the latest one. Now we can say yes, enable the Akamai App Platform. If you first want to learn more about the Akamai App Platform, click on the link, and here you also find the documentation for the Akamai App Platform. Let's continue the cluster creation. So we're going to say yes, enable the Akamai App Platform. And when I do, it will automatically enable the high availability control plane for the LKE cluster. Now we need to select a node plan. The minimal requirement is 3 8 GB nodes. I'm going to select the 16 GB nodes. So I hope this will speed up the installation process a little bit for this demo. So I'm going to add this node pool and say create cluster. And now the LKE control plane is being created and the nodes are being provisioned. So we need to wait for a couple of minutes until the control plane is ready and we can download the kubeconfig, and also wait for the nodes to be provisioned. All right, the nodes are provisioned. Let's download the kubeconfig, and we're going to set the kubeconfig. Now you need to have a Kubernetes client installed, like kubectl. And here are our 3 nodes, not all ready yet. I'm going to use K9s to see what is happening on the cluster. And you can already see that it added in the default namespace the Akamai App Platform installer. The container is now being created. Now this installation is going to take around 10 to max 15 minutes. Okay, the installation of the Akamai App Platform is ready. The installation job has completed. Now when we go back to the cluster overview page, you'll see that here is the portal endpoint. And this is the console running on your cluster. Now to sign into the console, we need to get the initial credentials. And the credentials are stored as a secret on the cluster in the keycloak namespace, and the secret is called platform admin initial credentials. So we're going to get the username and the initial password, and we're going to sign in. And now what we need to do is we need to change the initial password. And we're signed in. Now the first thing the app platform will ask you is if you want to configure the object storage. If you say yes, then the app platform will create buckets in your account that are being used for capabilities in the app platform that require object storage. I'm going to say skip for now. When I go to apps, here you see all the integrated applications that you can enable to compose your ideal platform. Now, if you want to learn more about how to use the Akamai App Platform, we have created a whole set of Getting Started labs, which you can find here in the tech docs. That's it.